Uthi Phumeza lo mntana ndifuna ibe ngokaLazarus maniyijonga. Sonke sifuna ibe ngokaLazarus. Ndiyaqonda yonke nje iSouth Africa ifuna ibe ngokaLazarus uba kaloku xa ingokaLazarus uZoleka uzawuba nebreak kodwa ke ubonile mosizolo uba iimeko ziyamekuza and ke ngoku njengoba zimekuza kufuneka kumekuzelwe ngakule ndawo singafuni kuyiwe kuyo. Sawuthini?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Silent Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeNimba. Well guys, yabona le storyline iseNimba sishiya abantu bekhala kahle kahle la inkundleni zokuxhumana. Abantu bahlezi bebamba umoya ukuthi what next. I know that people were very excited ukuthi uZoleka kanye ke noLazarus there will be a happy family after sekuzula umntwana, but bose ngazuthi ke inkinga ziyaqonga ukunokuthi ke zehle ingane iyagula and they are suspecting ukuthi iguliswa ukuthi bafuna ukuyenzela amasiko akojola instead of bayenzela amasiko akahlathi ngoba they believe ukuthi ingane ingekahlathi. So yesterday guys sibonile ukuthi ke uZoleka nohlathi bakhulumile kanye noLazarus ukuthi sicela wenzele ingane umcimbi uyibike emsamu and wavuma guys uhlathi, but when we check ama teasers iyaveza ukuthi but uhlathi will play dirty. Uhlathi will play dirty. Kanti ngizokhumbula ukuthi ke uhlathi uyamthanda uZoleka kakhulu. So yabona nje ne relationship kahlathi kanye ke noThumeka nayo ayikho ku state esi right because of lengane esikhona ke njengamanje. But ke abantu la inkundla zokuxhumana banalokho ukuthi ke ngenzeka yini ukuthi ingane le akusiyona kahlathi, ingane ngelaZarus. Some people they are very convinced ukuthi ingane kaZoleka iyingane kaLazarus. I don't know ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngalokho because as long as we DNA test, so they can't be certain ukuthi ingane ekahlathi bangayenza ke DNA test. So abanye abaningi baningi inkundla zokuxhumana they are convinced ukuthi mina I'm still saying ukuthi le ngane le kaZoleka ingane kahlathi noma ke ingane ke kaLazarus. So hey guys, kusazoshuba like we don't know ukuthi how dirty uhlathi plays uZoleka at this time because uyamthanda, so he'll make sure ukuthi yazini everything work for himself. We don't know guys, but we are hoping ukuthi ke uLazarus bakithi uzoba right. And again they are trying to show us the side amadoda angakwazi ukuthola abantwana ukuthi nabo bagoa through ini njengabantu besifazane abangatholi ke ingane. Yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.